Welcome to Ngobo 23 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click that subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 23 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Amazon 1, my brother. How's it?
Hey, alright mfowethu.
Ngiyaphila njani mfethu?
Hey, hayi ngikho right kodwa.
Ngiyabona ama comment maningi, phansi phezulu, up and down, management this, management that.
Yeah.
Everyone opinion yakhe. What's your take on the game tonight?
Okay, ngicela ukuthatha into ezi3 nje ngicela nje 2 minutes or 3.
Yeah.
Eyokuqala ngizokhuluma nje nabantu guys. Uma ufuna uSithibo ufuna uNgcobo yazi bamakuphi. Let's not come ngifuna uSithibo ngifuna abani. If you ufuna ukuya somewhere go ungasimemezeli azange ube famous la ilento esicela hayi abancane mfowethu ane ilento esicela nje kuphela. Number 2 ngicela ukukhuluma as a support asambe not as a coach asambe siyoyibhadala inyanga iya trend ikhuluma ngathi hambe yobhadala inyanga angazi ukuthi ku family kaMtaung ubani ongafuni ukuthi kukhishwe leyo mali. Indlondlo yamanzi ayibhadalwe simple as ABC. Ezinye izinto uma zikhulunywa zicabange ngikhuluma as a supporter go and pay. Ngikhuluma the F word go and pay indlondlo yamanzi siphume entweni. Do you understand? Sibone ukuthi because manje sesibelieve ukuthi lento ayikhulumayo iqiniso ngoba penalty
simbonile kade lana.
Come on, penalty simbonile man. Simbonile. Give credit where it's due.
And what you're saying is important because we won 4 games in a row. The 5th game,
yes,
he went live on Facebook in Down.
Yes.
It was like niyawina kwamanje
kodwa
but kuzosokola ama supporters.
kuyosokola thina.
Lento ukuthi lokhu kuthiwa mina kuthiwa kuyabonga ukuthi ngisize Chiefs nani ayingiphathi kahle. Ngiyanyanyisa nje in fact yabo. Mina na leyo team yeni leyo we are not in good terms yabo. We are not in good terms. Because yabo nje manje bakhombisa ukungixhaphasa nje kahle. Bakhombisa nje ukuthatha kancane yabo. Because mina kuyimanje ngiyakhonjwana lo uthwanikeza lo imali lo uthwanikeza lo imali thiwa imali yadliwa kuthiwa akazi ikhokho kuthiwa yakhokha khona izinto eziningi anandaba na leyo nto yabo. But mina nje into mina ngayilwa from day 1 mhlawumbe into eyangicika ayazi yenza ukuthi mina ngiba block emafonini nami is because bacela kumina ukuthi ngibasize. I did, but they did not recognize me. They did not give credit where it's due. Yabo, I don't care about money. Yabo, they know very well. They know they came to me actually only 2 weeks. They came to me because I said iSundowns bazoyishaya. Then bahamba futhi bayocheck bathola ukuthi izobashaya Pirates. Yes, they were desperate. Babethukile because it was almost 10 years bengaqubuli, right? But it's not because when uthena sizokhona ukuyishaya Sundowns. How about you assist us uzosishaya in a Pirate yabo? Okay, ngathi mina it's only 2 weeks left. Akusiwona umlingo lo wes mina ngisebenza ngamanzi ngisebenza ngomuthi. Amanzi takes time yabo. I had to leave la eDurban ngo-12 ebusuku going to Johannesburg insurance ngiyobasiza. Mina I came back ngigula kunepharmacy emhlanga evula 24/7 ngigula shaya ekhanda izinto engangenzani ngiyikhipha lapha yana. But yet mina was not recognized. Kwathatha trophy yahamba kwayobonga kwenye ndawo. I'm not saying ukuthi akaze bebasiza kodwa ngisho ukuthi ke ngicela yabo nje ivese niyeke lento yokuthi lokho nizoyikhommentela because I never thought ukuthi kuzofika to a point where I will support a team edlala ne Chiefs because bangidinile banginyangisile yabo. Kodwa ke mina yabona mina sengithuke kakhulu. Mina sekukhulunywa zonke izinto ngami. Mina nje ngivala umlomo. mina uNkulunkulu mina engihamba naye akusinto okudlala. I'm going to tell you, yabona this agreement yokuthi iChiefs win. I had to talk to God. Ngathi mina uNkulunkulu ngithumile kulo mhlaba ukuthi kumele ngushintshe umhlaba ukholele emanzini because sebesebenzisa umuthi kakhulu and izwe lonakele. However, this is the most followed and supported team. Imagine if I can assist this team kuze kwazi ukuwina ama-trophy amaningi. Ngisho kuthiwa kuvele manje ukuthi I'm the one who assisted them, but ngisho kuthiwa kuvela after 10 years and abantu if bethola ukuthi I assisted them ngamanzi against ama-team asebenzisa imithi, abantu bazobona amanzi ukuthi anamandla and people will start to believe emanzini. Boom, the world will start to believe ukuthi amanzi ayasebenza ngempela because umuthi asisho ukuthi phela kuhlezi ukhona umubi njalo, kodwa esikushoyo ukuthi it's better if abantu bezokhoyela emanzini because kuzolimisa izinto eziningi, ukuthethula kwamadlozi, ukuthakathwa kwabantu, izigubhu nezithwalo, yonke leyo nto leyo izophela because it seems as if ngathi wonke umuntu is invested kuleyo nto leyo. So do you see ukuthi ukuyocela amandla mina uNkulunkulu okukhona ukuthi ngisize Kaizer Chiefs, it was an agreement between me and God. And one day angithi yabona manje kusesemnandi futhi yabona ukuthi ihlangene into yabo, yabona nje iSundowns izokwazi uyibamba phansi, ubona ukuthi iSundowns bayicishile, yabona ukuthi ihlangene. Kodwa ke mina ngizokuyelela uNkulunkulu konke, ngiyokuyelela uNkulunkulu and when they decide to phone me besho ukuthi ndoda amadoda senze iphutha kanje nasi and futhi ngizobuya ngizonitshela la uma ukuthi bawukhona ukwenza lokho because seemingly shuthi kade bebetray inyanga and they take mhlambe mina ngenyanga angisiyona inyanga mina kade shuthi inyanga shuthi ngapha izinto bephinde bopheke lapha because babiza abantu befuna usizo kubantu then abakwenza kusuke bemele bekwenza. Shuthi ke njengamanje bona they chose the easy side, the hard side bayiyekela. Nasi mina bawungibheka beze bengithola and futhi bawuhlawula ngazi ngeenkomo engaka futhi lezo nkomo lezo ngengiyifuyi siyozidla nje nomphakathi wangakithi enguthandayo. So zidla lezo nkomo lezo ngoba bazobe bezogeza igama lami abaxhoba ngenyama, bazobe bezogeza idlozi lami nengelosi yami yasebenza. Yabona abafana ngihamba nabo siyolandela amanzi kwenye indawo ngengisho ukuthi kuphi sasentabeni. Le ndaba it takes you 30 minutes ukuya phansi umbuya, it takes you i-hour ukubuya because it's stiff leyo ndaba leyo. Bahle abafana ngebephinde bathi hayi ndoda amadoda ngesiphinde sinakuza le ndaba leyo. Saphinde saqhubeka saya kwenye indawo. Okubuhlungu umuntu oyena ongidrivelayo uyasebenza, uvuka ekuseni ngo5 safika la ngo4 asazicollect amanzi ayi1 but mina I'm proud, ngingadinwa kodwa I'm proud ukuthi ngiyabona and futhi I know umsebenzi wami nabo laba abaclaim ukuthi umsebenzi wabo they know very well, they know deep down, they know ukuthi umsebenzi wami lo ya. But again it's not about breaking, but ngiyathanda ukwenza kanje ama video ehlale because social media does not forget. One day kuzovela and kuzomela beligeze igama lami because before they came they were phoning me, but once they lifted the trophy it's a phone. And maybe they thought this is all about money, ukuthi hayi mesimkhokhela imali mesimthe somkhokhela. It's not about money, this is about changing the world. Mina nginandaba nabo, I love them as a team, I loved them as a team or as a club, but mina yabo ingakho ngena zonke lezi ziba lezi ngikhipha ithwalo, ngihambe indaba lezi ngikhipha ithwalo. Mina ngizosho umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu la namanje abangabona, but social media does not forget. One day umhlaba niyobona usuqondile, uyabona. So angisho ukuthi ubani owenza ukuthi kwangenzeka kwafika mina kwenzeka. Kodwa they know very well who did the job. They know very well. They know very well. I'm not going to mention names, but all of them they know. All of them they know. They know very well. I'm not happy. And ingelo sami is not happy. But yami ingelo singoba ihlambuluke kakhulu. Isibhaxo sakhona siza kancane. Okubuhlungu abantu abazosafarisha ama-fans e-Kaizer Chiefs because they love the Chiefs. And I know that because nami I was a Kaizer Chiefs fan until they betrayed me. Yabo. Ngicela niyekele lento yama-comment la. Ekusinethi hayi since kwafika wena FNB. Iyangicika. Mina I'm all about umsebenzi. kaNkulunkulu. Iyangicika lento because it brings me pain. Yabo. Ngase nje nayideliver lo pain leyo. Yabo. Kodwa kushuthi i-technique lena uNkulunkulu ebengifisa senze ngayo ukuthi abantu sibenze bekholelwe emanzini ngendlela ukuthi sikhona ukubakhombisa ukuthi maybe out of 36 teams asebenzisa umuthi ngafika mina namanzi and kusebenza. Sizohlala phansi, we will find another technique, but definitely we need to change the world. The world must become a better place, and kumele silungise ngamanzi. That's what I've been sent for in this world. Kubuhlungu ukuthi mina ngidinwa kanjena yabo, ngidinwa ngihleka nje, kodwa khona one day they will come back.
Ngiyacela oyi-1 from ngicela nje ubaba, go and pay indlondlo yamanzi siqhubeke ngempilo.
What is due for him exactly?
Simple. Give credit where it's due. Sengiyabuya ke manje. Okay, about the game ngoba mfethu I had one speaker to Flavio uSilva, he will be a top goal scorer. He will be a top goal scorer. Uma ehlele kitchen. Akahlale in the box. He must not play as a midfielder or a cam number 9. He will never play as a false 9. Let him stay in the box. Let him stay in the kitchen where it's hot.
That's how he scored his first goal.
That's how he scored his first goal. So why is he dropping too much deep? Because we've got players that can play him. Do you understand?
Exactly.
So can we have Flavio adlale as a number 9 box? As a holding. Angabi too mobile.
Exactly.
We've got the guys about mobile. We've got about Utuba. Okay, I want him to play as a winger.
Yeah.
You've got Ulilepo. Bring Ulilepo as a central striker. I feel today Ulilepo should have stayed the full 90 minutes because he has runs.
Exactly.
I don't feel Silva we should have played him today. You've got Ulilepo.
Exactly.
Tatu Tumumbeke sighting. But now the problem is Banayo.
Yeah.
I see your Tele. I see your Tuba. The body language. Lack of Sabanayo from the coach. Not what the coach are not doing their job. But now Mbona Intones and self-esteem, you know what? I can do this. I see Ungobo. Do you understand? And people have been saying Mtetwa this, Mtetwa that is not giving us.
Ox is the best.
Come on, guys.
Ox
What
is
do
the
we
best.
want? We had winning Gomashe.
Exactly.
Someone who plays as a destroyer. Osunela Mabola. But my winner, you've got Ungobo, who I think Ungobo today, he played 80-70% better today. You understand?
Exactly.
We had Ubani, Ushabalala, who was penetrating. So Mkipelani. Because you are getting fouls, Mushabalala.
Exactly.
Do you understand? You are getting fouls, Mushabalala, because he's penetrating, running into half spaces. We want someone Okichema in half spaces so we can get those fouls.
Exactly.
And we've got Ulilepo who's got the technique to take shots on target. So why Umkeeper? Do you understand?
Exactly.
Now we need Ulona Umodi. Umodi has to come to the party.
Yeah.
He should not listen to our supporter.
Exactly.
Same applies with our coaches. Don't listen to the supporters about keep even the subs are in the mind is because of the supporters.
Exactly.
If you don't have the balls, sorry to say that, you don't have to sit there.
You can't. I mean, you are hired for that.
You are hired for that. You understand? Can we get the confidence back? Can we get the confidence Tuba back? For a young boy to say what he said on social media, it has to tell you as a coach. How do you bring that player back? The confidence. Because the boy can play. The boy can give us something. If maybe there was a signing of I told Arab bring that boy back. The confidence back. We need Utuba. We need Utele to be on song in order for us to see about Chris and stuff. But we need those guys to be on board. You understand?
Yeah.
Going back, my back four, getting Mikel, Miguel, the only thing that I want him to, he needs to know he's the captain. It needs to sink in.
Exactly.
For him to give Ukwinika the belt, it says I'm the leader.
Exactly.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
But now show.
On the field.
If I'm going to get to Lilepo playing umuntu olahle bola, it has to give me something. I need the confidence like a back. He's a leader.
Exactly.
Understand? Top Ukwinika, better, the confidence is there. Him, if guys,
Yeah.
you heard Udaideng Ukwinika pushing up Nebola.
Yeah.
You would see the level of intelligence dropping back to give us a rest defense of 3.
Exactly.
What do you want from an anchor that can do that? That's what you want.
He was my man of the match.
He played very well,
Big time,
but
yeah.
because the goalkeeper made so many saves, that's why he was the man of the match.
Exactly,
The
yeah.
only thing is sitting on our final third, I think they played a low block first half. We pressed them a boxing lab.
Yeah.
So boxing lab, we got the chances,
Big time.
but
First 15 minutes, yeah, exactly.
the boys they played very well first half, but now just with this convex in Japan.
Perfect.
So the only thing I'm saying is the boys should just pick up confidence in the corner. Then we're going to get them to see.
Thank you so much, my brother.
It's
allowed. For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.